Today we are making a nice video. This is Fati and Biya's world, and we are making pizza bread.
Pita Bread Pizza.
Yes, Pita Bread Pizza. And Papa's coming now in no second. प्याज और ये
क्या है ये?
मुझे नहीं पता।
ये कैप्सिकम है।
कैप्सिकम है और ये बोटी
है
और ये केचप है और ये पिटा ब्रेड है
वेरी गुड।
और ये है
पीस तो नहीं है ये, और ऑलिव्स ने भी
ऑलिव्स
आपके फेवरेट है ना।
एंड दिस इज चीज।
आपको भूल जाता है सब कुछ।
And Papa, I'm calling Papa and wait in second. And guys, and now I'm making my own pizza and Fatma doing next pizza. And let's get my first slice. Oh. This is so funny.
So funny.
गाइस मुझसे गलती से ब्रेड फट गया था, दूसरा अब मैं अपना बनाऊंगी। पहले मैं ये
पहले पिज्जा सॉस लगाते हैं।
how can I put
Use a spoon from there, big one.
She's a funny girl. That's not normal. I know we just have to go inside.
नहीं, आप इसको बीच में भी तो रखें ना, फिर बीच में से पिज्जा खाली हो जाएगा। That's it. Via, that's it.
You also know.
Fatma,
Abhiya, stop it. No.
you have as many. चलो भैया, अब थोड़ी सी कैप्सिकम डालो।
This.
कैप्सिकम।
This. This is the biggest one. I need small. Okay.
Like this.
Like this. And like this one. Oh yeah. Nice. And I got onion. I'm spreading onion. This is not onion. This is I don't know what to call this. Now we are at onions. Wait. We don't have this. No, we are. Yes.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, let's put some glass inside. Wait for that. Here.
थोड़ी सी प्याज हो गई।
And then I'll get
That's it. You don't want to wash.
and let me put it.
Yes, put olives now.
You know to put hello soaps. Yes, I love them. Yeah, you're not a vegetarian that much. You're a chicken eater. Yeah.
The cheese खाते हैं। No, you have to
Okay, let me.
sprinkle cheese. Do you like this?
Raining cheese. It's raining cheesies from out of the sky.
And this is good.
Pizza, 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 pizza. The making of pizza.
Bas na, that's enough.
Enough, yeah.
Is that enough?
It's enough?
Yes, it's so big now.
Now guys, the reason we're making this pizza is like दो पिज़्ज़ा बनाते हो, दो बनानी होती है और फिर इट्स रियली मुश्किल टू मेक इट। तो हमने एक इजी वे बताया कि यू कैन जस्ट यूज पिज़्ज़ा ब्रेड एंड जल्दी से घर बनाओ एंड इजी एंड पिज़्ज़ा में 10 मिनट्स में रेडी हो जाता है। So that's why the reason we're making pizza. So now guys, I'm still hungry now. Let's start making a pizza. Yay! That's so much tomatoes, Mama.
Fati, don't put a lot of.
No, yeah, tomato sauce is the reason to put
Put
base.
little like my pizza.
You know, tomato sauce is the base. Like we put on the foundation, the primer as our face base.
I'll tell you what is my pizza's next thing.
No, Bia, you're gonna bake this.
Roti and that.
Yeah, I want to make it.
Then
Okay, we're gonna spread it around. Here, there, here, there, here, there, here, and there, and there. We're gonna spread it. Then you want sides. You know, the word pizza.
and then you put peel off top.
Yeah, why?
Then
Okay, now mine. It's kind of sticky there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. Now, we're gonna add some. I think I should start with the cheese because cheese,
is a best.
yeah, is the best. Should I?
नहीं ऊपर से डलती है चीज आके
To be made it. Vegetables or
हाँ
chicken?
चिकन
मेरी तरह डाल सब
Chicken. A lot of chicken. A lot of chicken. Chicken. Chickens. Do, 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 do. Chickens. Do, do, do. Yeah, take that way up and let's mix. Chickens. Do, 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 do.
Guys, we are making next video post challenge. That is the funniest video.
We are so much excited about our video.
Yes.
Okay guys, between I was listening to my pizza while you were listening to Biha's talk. My pizza was put in my ear to tell the viewers to subscribe, like and share.
Yeah.
Okay, there, I'm done with my chicken. Now we're gonna add some cheese. Can I write cheese?
No, wait.
use the vegetables
No, green thing. First we get then green thing.
Yes, like green thing.
This.
कैप्सिकम से सही स्मेल आती है पिज्जा तो
Yeah, capsicum is the best. East or west?
And then pyaz. Inside. Pyaz के बाद
Okay, now we're ready with the pyaz.
उसके बाद pyaz डालो pyaz.
मैं इस तरह करके डालेंगी ताकि ना थोड़ा स्पेस हो. I like pyaz.
I too like pyazes.
प्याज़ेस
Pyaz is.
Pyazes is not.
Okay, we're gonna add one pyaz right over here.
Mama, look here.
Now my pizza is full with vegetables. Now I'm gonna add some cheese. Can I add the whole cheese left? Yes, cheesy pizza.
there's very less vegetables on your pizza
Okay, we're gonna add more.
Put it.
First let's add
olives डाल लिए
Oh no, I forgot. Olives.
वो फाफा मत
जो चीज़ आखिर में डालोगी ऊपर के वो ऊपर ही बाहर आ जाती है निकल के फिर पिज्ज़ा से
We're gonna stick it at the front.
ऐसे जब फिंगर लगाते हैं ऐसे ऊपर निकल जाएगी.
We're gonna spread some cheese on the shuffle.
Papa, don't mess anything.
It's fine. We're gonna clean it after. Okay, yay! We're spreading cheese. Yummies. Okay, and the cheese over here.
Papa, you're putting dot off.
Because I want cheese in my pizza. More
Yes.
than anything.
Yes. Oh, mushroom.
Yay, the last bit of my cheese. And the last bit of it.
put it
Done!
on the pizza not everywhere else
Let's put it on. There we go. It's done. Now let's put it up really nicely and bring it to the spot. इसमें circles बनाऊंगी मिलकर के. Nice से oil लूंगी थोड़ा. और फिर circles.
small
Oh, small circles. Paint करना. आके हमारा पिज़्ज़ा ट्रे के ऊपर ही ना स्टक हो जाए. अब हमें उतारने में मुश्किल हो जाए. That's why हम इसके ऊपर लगाते हैं. Yeah.
Get it?
So अगर आप क्लोज लुक देखें तो आपको ये नजर आएगा. ये देखो.
no more to close
Now guys हम इसके ऊपर पिज़्ज़ा रखेंगे.
रखो.
Come with me. हम थोड़ा ऑयली स्पॉट रखेंगे. भैया ना करो.
बस लास्ट है क्या है?
और ये आता है अब पीहा का पिज़्ज़ा.
बड़ा सा. इतना बड़ा कॉम्बिनेशन.
चल
उठाओ उसको ट्रे को
अब हम ट्रे को उठाएंगे और कहाँ रखेंगे गाइस? ओवन में।
अब मैं खोलती हूँ ओवन को। मामा फर्स्ट बंद कर दे दोबारा।
Mama, will you freeze it?
No, we just have to melt the cheese.
Okay, that's it. At the top or the bottom?
At the top.
सबसे top.
Let's
We've
see it.
inserted the pizza. Now should we close it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm
मामा ने इसमें जो ओवन टाइम सेट किया है वो है 120 सेल्सियस, क्योंकि ऑल दो कि हमारी ब्रेड भी कुक थी, चिकन भी कुक थी, तो हमने इसलिए उसको रखा और फिर बस 10 मिनट्स लगेंगे, जल्दी और यम्मी होगा। ट्राई इट।
और गाइस बस चीज मेल्ट होनी चाहिए, पिज्जा को नहीं ओवन होना चाहिए।
Very
ओवन
good.
होना चाहिए।
We got the point. बिया ने सही बात बताई.
Wow, that's a nice pizza growing.
Growing? कोई भूत डाला है अपने अंदर?
तो गाइस अगर मैं आपको क्लोजेस्ट लुक दिखाऊं तो अब भी हमारा पिज़्जा वो मेरा हाँ, अब यू कैन गेट साइड आपको शैडो आ रहा है,
Yes.
देखा, और वो दूसरा वाला है वहाँ पे लाइट है, फिर भी वो नज़र आ रहा है थोड़ा। यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि कुक हो रहा है कि नहीं। I don't think that's good, but it's a bit weird. It's fine. You can try again and again. इसमें बिया वाला और ये मेरा वाला। देखा मैंने इसलिए ज़्यादा चीज़ डाली थी ताकि अब्जॉर्ब हो जाए। One.
That's the oven's bell.
तो गाइस हम थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं ताकि कूल डाउन हो, फिर हम निकालते हैं और फिर हम आपको खाते हुए दिखाएंगे। What happened?
गरम लग गया?
हाँ, गरम ट्रे लग गई। Now guys हम इसको आउट करते हैं, आउट और फिर हम खा के दिखाएंगे, खा के।
ये देखिए
ऐसा गुड रिएक्शन देगी।
my cheese.
Very nice.
फेलियर ऑफ दिया कटिंग।
That's like funny.
Now guys अब देखिए मैं काटती हूँ।
Yummy.
Okay.
Yummy. Guys, so yummy.
भी आपने सारी टॉपिंग्स गिरा दी, यम्मी कह रही हूँ।
That's so yummy.
Okay guys, it takes a bit minutes.
What?
Oh, oh yes. Okay, now we're gonna eat it. Yes. Oh no, see the cheese. Okay, let's start. No, you don't do it. I think I'm also a cutting failure.
Guys,